Welcome to the One Button Studio in Alden Library. The OBS is a space for faculty, staff, and students to record themselves delivering lectures, spoken presentations, or other materials for instruction. Before you arrive, make sure you schedule your recording session by reserving your date and time on the library's reservation system. And make sure you bring a compatible USB flash drive with you. You may also want to have any presentation materials ready online in a location such as OneDrive. The OBS is located on the second floor of Alden, just to the left around the corner from the Mac computer workstations. To enter, swipe in with your Ohio ID and turn on the overhead lights with the switch located on the door frame. The One Button Studio contains the workstation, which houses the OBS monitor, camera, button, and USB receptacle, a control for the green screen lights, a backdrop for recording and use of the green screen system, a monitor for any presentation such as a PowerPoint lecture, and a large screen TV. To record your video, simply follow the directions provided on the screen. Insert your drive into the dock to begin. From there, the monitor will ask you to press the button to begin recording. This will also turn on the studio lights. Once you have pressed the button, a countdown timer will begin on the monitor. This will give you time to get into the frame of the video and to prepare before it begins recording. Once the camera begins recording, you will see a time elapsed counter in the lower right. This will give you an indication of how long your video will be. When you have finished recording, simply go up to the One button and press it again to stop the video camera. A message will then appear on the screen asking you to wait while it saves your video. When it is done, it will let you know the session is complete, and from there you can either remove your flash drive or press the button again to begin a new recording. If you are finished and remove your flash drive, the studio lights will automatically turn off. If you plan to record a session with a presentation such as a PowerPoint on the TV, follow these steps. First, log into the presentation computer using your Ohio ID. If this is your first time, it may take a few minutes to set up your profile. Once it is ready, you can then log into something like OneDrive and find your presentation. Next, place the TV in front of the backdrop and plug it into the outlet behind the backdrop. You can then turn on the TV with the remote. If this is your first time using the TV, you will need to make a change in the setting on the computer to allow the display to be duplicated on the TV. Go to the Windows settings on the presentation computer and click on the system icon located in the upper left. From there, click on Display and scroll down till you see the Multiple Displays section. Click on the drop-down menu and choose to duplicate the displays. Keep the changes, and what is displayed on the computer monitor will now be displayed on the TV. You only need to do this once. The system will remember your settings. You will now be able to record your presentation with your session. There is a remote provided so that you can change slides if necessary. There is a green screen system that you can use to drop in graphics or presentations into your recording using video editing software such as Adobe Premiere or iMovie. The system consists of a light ring around the camera and a backdrop that reflects the green or blue color from the light. If you are going to use the green screen, it is important to remember not to wear any clothing that contains the color you want to record in. To turn on the green screen, switch the toggle to either the left for green or the right for blue. If necessary, you can use the buttons to change the intensity of the light. When you have finished your recording session, remember to take any items that you brought with you, return the room to the condition that you found it, turn off the overhead lights, and make sure the door is closed securely. Thank you for using the One Button Studio.